pagkakataon na kumausap or magtanong ng isang tanong sa isang fourth year nursing student, ano yun?
Po talaga yung gusto ko kasi yun po, plan ko po mang-ibang bansa.
Okay. As usual. As a fourth year student or a senior nursing student, anong gusto mong itanong?
Gusto ko pong itanong if bearable po ba siya or may rocky side din po. Meron po talaga, pero kaya po.
Tanong na gusto ko, kung nagsisisi ba sila?
Isang kagalakan ito dahil ang anak mo na nakatapos ng na-reach niya yung cupping pinning at saka candle lighting. So I keep on telling her na study first. She has to focus her studying and then no boyfriend yet.
Ay!
Hello guys, this is Promise, the host of Simply Promise and You. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you have any opinions, ensure to drop them in the comment section. It promises to be informative, educative, and entertaining. Welcome guys!
Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will show you the capping, pinning, and candle lighting ceremony of the second year students of College of Nursing in Lyceum Northwestern University. So for today's video, we're going to try to interview... Hi, sir! Okay lang po. So as you can see, one of our CIs just passed by and they're already in rush because today is the capping and pinning as what I've said, and we will also try to interview at least one or two students from second year who is also going to participate in capping and pinning and candle lighting ceremony. So please tune in this video and like, share, and subscribe. So for our content today, we will be encapsulating the capping, pinning, and candle lighting of the second year nursing students from Lyceum Northwestern University. And as you can see, we're here now in our school and we will try to interview some of the sophomores who just participated the said event. And as you can see, there are also some people here selling flowers for the student nurses. So let's see what they have to say. Okay guys, now here we are with our second nursing student who just participated the capping, pinning, and candle lighting ceremony here at Lyceum. So ano pong pangalan niya?
Jade po. Swift Prince Jade po.
Jade. So Jade, anong nararamdaman mo now that you are officially a student nurse?
Ano po, masaya at the same time, parang nabibilisan po sa mga nangyayari kasi parang ready naman po pero talagang medyo mabilis po ganun. Para sa akin po, pero masaya po ako na student nurse na po.
Okay, so sinong kasama mo ngayon?
Yung mom ko po.
Yung mama mo. Okay, can I ask you why nursing?
Nursing po kasi hindi lang po siya yung gusto ko na course. Gusto ko din pong magsilbi sa mga tao, most especially sa mga vulnerable ones po na mga kailangan po ng care talaga. And parang passion ko rin po siya since bata pa po kasi back when I was 7 years old, nilalaro ko po talaga yung stethoscope ng tita ko. So, pinagpatuloy ko na lang po.
Okay, so how about now that you're already officially SN or student nurse, hindi ka ba nakakaramdam ng pressure or may kaba din sa mga susunod na magiging chapters?
May kaba po, syempre, hindi naman po mawawala yun. Pero lahat naman po ng bagay matututunan po natin. At unti-unti ko pong gagawin yung best ko para po matutunan yung mga bagay na hindi ko pa po alam sa ngayon para po makapagsilbi ng mas maayos at mabigay ko po yung best ko para po sa mga taong nangangailangan.
If you will ask a fourth year student or a senior nursing student, anong gusto mong itanong?
Gusto ko pong itanong if bearable po ba siya or may rocky side din po. Meron po talaga, pero kaya po ba?
Okay, since I am a nursing student from fourth year and I'm a senior student nurse, the only thing that I can say to you is that mahirap talaga siya and there are times that you want to stop, you might want to stop and you might question yourself if tama pa ba yung decision mo. And when it comes to grades, you might, I'm not praying na mag-fail ka, but you might have low scores, but don't give up on it and don't look at it as your whole ability. So just continue it Normal lang yun. And kung anong gusto mong sabihin last na lang sa mga gustong mag-nursing?
Sa mga gustong mag-nursing po, kung gusto nyo po talaga, ituloy nyo lang po at ilaban nyo po hanggang dulo.
Okay, hello guys. So now we're back with our new video and I have here a second year student who is also participating for the capping and pinning and candle lighting ceremony here in Lyceum Northwestern University. So, ano pong pangalan niya?
Reynalise Rosario po.
Okay. What do you expect with this capping and pinning?
Ina-expect ko po na magiging smooth yung flow and ma-enjoy po namin yung event na to and magiging successful.
Okay. How about after the capping and pinning? Ano yung expectations mo?
So, ina-expect ko po na after ng capping and pinning, duty na po. So,
Yes.
there's lots of of pressure kasi student nurse na po kami. Kaya, ayun po.
Okay. So, can I ask you, why out of all the courses, bakit nursing?
First choice ko po and yun po talaga yung gusto ko kasi yun po. Plan ko po mang-ibang bansa.
Okay. As usual.
Yes.
How about, sinong kasama mo for this capping and pinning?
Mom and dad ko po.
What can you say to the first year students?
Good luck. Kaya niyo yan. Fighting lang.
If there is any question that you can ask us fourth years, what is it?
Mahirap po ba yung CA1, CA2?
Okay, hello guys. Now we're also with a male nursing student. And ano pong pangalan niya?
Ako po si Mag-AJ B. Soriano. Mag-AJ B. Soriano.
Mag-AJ. Mag-AJ, anong naramdaman mo nung nag-step ka sa stage and nag-light ka ng candle?
Yung first ko pong naramdaman, parang tumayo po yung mga balahibo ko. Ganun po pala yung feeling na parang may na-achieve na naman akong isang goal na parang panghabang buhay na may ano sa
Yes. Okay. How about, sino kasama mo this capping?
yung mother ko po.
Mother. Okay. Now, what can you say to those senior high school na gustong mag-aral ng nursing?
If gusto po talaga nila yung nursing na program, ituloy lang po nila. Tapos yung kung ano po talaga yung dream nila sa future nila, gano'n. Wag silang kakabahan. Wag silang magdadoubt sa sarili nila. Tapos kapag nagfi-fail naman, meron yung failure natin. As a journey, as a part ng journey natin. Kaya yung dapat hindi sila matakot na mag-fail, tapos magpatuloy lang sa kanilang journey.
Okay. How about if bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na kumausap or magtanong ng isang tanong sa isang fourth year nursing student, ano yun? Okay.
Talagang tanong na gusto ko, kung nagsisisi pa sila.
What can you say to your parents na lang?
Sabi ko lang sa mga parents ko, salamat sa supporta nila kasi dyan sila palagi para sa akin.
Iyak na yan? Hindi.
Kahit na, yung, siyempre, alam naman natin, college journey natin, masyadong
Mahal.
Masyadong makastos talaga.
Mahal.
Kaya, thankful talaga ako sa kanila.
Okay, now here we are again with another student nurse who just participated the capping, pinning, and candle lighting ceremony here at Lyceum. So, ano pong pangalan niya, ma'am?
Gloria.
And? Kisha po. Kisha. So, ma'am, as a parent, ano pong naramdaman niyo nung nakita niyo po na umakyat yung anak niyo po sa stage?
Siyempre masaya. Tuwang-tuwa. At siyempre, isang kagalakan ito dahil ang anak mo nakatapos ng na-reach niya yung capping, pinning at saka candle lighting. Siyempre, bilang isang magulang, ito ay napakasayang bagay na naranasan ko.
Okay. How about Kisha, as a student, anong naramdaman mo nung kinakabit na sa'yo yung cap and yung pin mo and then nilalight mo na yung candle?
Nung una po, bago pa lang po kami tawagin po, kinakabahan po pero masaya po sobrang masaya po.
Okay. Sa inyo naman po, ano pong mga advice ang binibigay niyo po kay Kisha? Kasi syempre po, nursing student po siya. Syempre mahirap po mag-nursing and busy po talaga.
Basta I keep on telling her na study first. She has to focus her studying, and then no boyfriend yet.
Ay!
That's,
No
that's
boyfriend
the
yet.
best, and that's the best saying na lagi kong sinasabi sa kanya. Kasi education is important.
Okay. How about Kisha? What can you say to your mom with all of these things and nakaabot ka sa ganitong stage?
Gusto kong mag-thank you. Kahit minsan pasaway pa ako. Hindi po, may time po na parang hindi po kami okay kasi hindi nga po pasaway po pero gusto ko po mag-thank you sa lahat ng efforts and sacrifices po na ginawa niya kahit tigas po yung ulo ko. Pero,
Last question, if bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na magtanong sa isang senior student nurse or fourth year student nurse, ano yung gusto mong itanong?
mahirap po ba?
Mahirap.
Ano po, kumusta na po kayo?